We're gonna start this project with medium-sized brush and orange paint. We'll paint slightly tilted to the left pumpkin by adding a short line on the right and longer curved line on the left. Next, you can add zigzag lines to connect both lines. Now you can paint 2 triangles for eyes and 1 triangle for nose. To paint a smile, we'll create a zigzag line on top and zigzag line on the bottom. Now you can cover the whole pumpkin in orange paint around eyes, nose and mouth. After washing and wiping your medium-sized brush, you can dip it in purple paint. We'll paint an outline for cat's head by painting a large oval above the pumpkin. Then we'll add neck and 2 pointy triangle ears. We'll outline sides of the pumpkin using purple paint. We'll outline cat's head, ears and neck. You can switch to a large brush to cover the rest of the background with purple paint. We'll use medium-sized brush and black paint to outline and paint in eyes, nose and mouth of the pumpkin. We'll paint outline for cat's eyes. Next, you can outline and paint in the cat. We'll switch to a small brush to paint 3 whiskers on both sides of cat's head. Next, we'll paint cat's paws. We'll create a circle to the left and to the right of the cat. It will slightly overlap pumpkin. Next, we'll paint curled black tail on the right side of the cat. After washing and wiping your small brush, you can dip it in yellow paint. We'll outline and paint in both eyes of the cat. Next, we'll highlight eyes and nose of the pumpkin. We'll add a straight yellow line next to the right side and the bottom part of each shape. We'll do the same thing for pumpkin's mouth. We'll highlight zigzag lines on the right side of the pumpkin. After wiping your brush, you can use a little bit of water and white paint to highlight some parts of the cat. We'll highlight ears, cheek and neck. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in black to add a black oval on top of yellow part of an eye. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.